where the stars still shine so bright. I think of words your mother said when I was losing you. She thought you'd lost your chance, but darling, I confess, I'm the one who's broken with my eyes in tears. Your mother said you missed the boat when you missed me, but Annie, that's not true. I'm the one who's broken. I'm the one who missed it when I lost you, my dear. Now I'm singing for your love, hoping you'll still hear my words someday. I walk these empty streets where we used to share our dreams. Your voice whispers, but it can't drown out my screams. I see your shadow everywhere in the moonlight's gentle glow, and I hear your voice, and it calling soft and low. Your mother said you missed the boat when you missed me, but Annie, that's not true. I'm the one who's broken. I'm the one who missed it when I lost you, my dear. Now I'm singing for your love, hoping you'll still hear my words someday. I remember that last night, the thunder rolled above. You held me close and whispered, Michael, you're my love. But I let you slip away through my foolish pride. Now I'm haunted by your cries, echoing deep inside. Oh, Annie, I don't wanna let you go. My voice cuts through the darkness in a desperate broken flow. The gateway arch stands tall, but I'm falling to my knees, begging for your love to come back to me. I trade all my tomorrows for one more yesterday, to hold you close, my Annie, and chase your fears away. Every song I write, it carries all my pain, wishing I could hold you in the St. Louis rain. I'll keep on singing till you're back in my arms, my forever Annie, safe from all life's harms. So I'll sing into the night, 'neath the St. Louis sky, hoping you'll return to me as the years go by.